Let me ask you something. How many times have you set a goal, felt unstoppable for a day or two, maybe even a week, and then boom, it's gone? That fire you had, snuffed out. The gym, skipped. That business idea, buried. That new habit, abandoned. Don't lie, we've all been there. And it ain't just you. But here's the truth that most people will never tell you. Motivation is trash if you don't have discipline. And today, I'm going to show you how to build unshakable, savage-level discipline, even if you've been lazy your whole life. And no, this ain't one of those wake up at 5 a.m., drink 9 liters of water, eat raw eggs, run a marathon before breakfast type of videos. Nah, this is real. This is raw. This is you versus the version of you that never follows through. You're not broken. You're not weak. You're just undisciplined. And honestly, that's a good thing. Because unlike talent or genetics, discipline is trainable. It's a muscle. And if you train it, you'll dominate your goals. But if you don't, life will walk all over you. You'll keep hitting snooze while your dreams rot in the background. Let's fix that today. Step 1. Make discipline easy to start. First off, forget everything you've been told. Discipline doesn't start with grinding till you puke. It starts small. Like stupid small. 1 push-up, 1 page of a book, 1 minute of focus. That's how it begins. Because when you start small, you remove resistance. You remove excuses. And that's where the magic happens. See, the goal isn't to impress anyone. The goal is to teach your brain one thing. I do what I say I'm going to do. That's the core of discipline. And here's the catch. Once you start showing up, even in tiny ways, your brain starts to believe you again. You rebuild trust with yourself. And that is powerful. Step 2, systems over motivation. Here's the biggest lie on the internet. You just need to find motivation. Bro, motivation is like your flaky friend. Fun at parties, never. They're when you really need what you actually need? A system. A boring, simple system that you can run without thinking. When you rely on motivation, you act based on feelings. When you rely on systems, you act based on decisions you made when you were focused. That's discipline. No emotion. No debate. It's 7 a.m., then I'm doing this. End of story. Step 3. Make failure part of the plan. Now let's keep it 100. You're gonna mess up. You're gonna slip. That's part of the game. But real discipline, real growth, it's how fast you bounce back. Don't romanticize perfection. You don't need perfect streaks. You need relentless returns. Fall off. Cool. Get up. Miss. A day? Bounce back. Miss a week? Restart. No shame, no pity. Just reset and go. Discipline isn't about never breaking the chain. It's about never letting the chain stay broken. Step 4. Environment is everything. If you're trying to build discipline in a trash environment, good luck. Your room, your phone, your habits, even your friends, they either push you forward or pull you back. If your phone's killing your attention, move it. If your space looks like a war zone, clean it. If your friends only care about parties and gossip, maybe it's time to build your circle differently. Make the right thing easy. Make the wrong thing hard. That's how you stack the deck. In your favor. Let me tell you something no one else will. You don't need to feel ready. You don't need to be inspired. You just need to show up. And then show up again. And again. Discipline isn't glamorous. It's boring. It's repetitive. It's lonely sometimes. But it's also the reason people win. It's the reason dreams become real. And the best part? It's not a gift. It's a skill. If you can learn to ride a bike, scroll TikTok, or binge Netflix, you can learn discipline. All it takes is a decision. So the question is, are you going to keep scrolling? Or are you finally going to do that thing you said you'd do? Build the discipline. Change your life. If this hit you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more real talk. And drop in the comments, what are you committing to today? Let's hold each other accountable. Discipline equals freedom. You got this.